The generous family. In the heart of a quaint little village, nestled between rolling green hills and blooming meadows, lived the Johnson family. The family consisted of Mr. and Mrs. Johnson, their 2 children, Lily and Tommy, and their adorable dog, Max. They were known far and wide for their kindness, generosity, and willingness to help anyone in need. The Johnsons lived in a cozy, modest house that Mr. Johnson had built with his own hands. It was surrounded by a beautiful garden filled with vibrant flowers, tall trees, and a vegetable patch that provided them with fresh produce all year round. Every morning, the family would gather in the garden for breakfast, enjoying the songs of the birds and the gentle rustling of the leaves in the breeze. One sunny morning, as the family sat around the breakfast table, Mrs. Johnson said, "I've been thinking about how blessed we are to have such a wonderful life. I believe it's important that we share our blessings with others." Mr. Johnson nodded in agreement. "I couldn't agree more. We have plenty, and there are many in the village who are less fortunate." Lily, with her bright eyes and curious nature, asked, "How can we help them, Mommy?" Mrs. Johnson smiled at her daughter's eagerness. "There are many ways we can help, dear. We can share our food, our time, and even our skills." Tommy, who was always full of energy and ideas, jumped up from his chair. "Let's do it. Let's help as many people as we can." And so, the Johnson family embarked on a journey of kindness and generosity. Each day, they found new ways to help their neighbors and make their village a better place. One day, while walking through the village, they came across Mrs. Thompson, an elderly woman who lived alone in a small cottage. Her garden was overgrown, and her house looked like it hadn't been maintained in years. Mrs. Johnson approached her with a warm smile. "Good morning, Mrs. Thompson. How are you today?" Mrs. Thompson sighed. "Oh, my dear, I'm getting by. It's just so hard to keep up with everything now that I'm older." Mr. Johnson stepped forward. "We would be happy to help you, Mrs. Thompson. We can clean up your garden and fix anything that needs repairing in your house." Tears welled up in Mrs. Thompson's eyes. "Oh, you are too kind. I don't know how to thank you." Lily and Tommy got to work immediately, pulling weeds and trimming bushes, while Mr. Johnson fixed the broken fence and mended the roof. Mrs. Johnson cleaned the house, making it sparkle like new. By the end of the day, Mrs. Thompson's cottage looked beautiful, and her garden was flourishing once again. Mrs. Thompson was overjoyed. "You have no idea how much this means to me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart." The Johnsons left with their hearts full, knowing they had made a difference in someone's life. The following week, the Johnson family heard about a family who had just moved to the village. The Millers had lost their home in a fire and were starting over from scratch. Without hesitation, the Johnsons decided to visit them and offer their assistance. When they arrived at the Miller's new home, they found Mr. and Mrs. Miller unpacking boxes, looking exhausted and overwhelmed. Mr. Johnson introduced himself. "Hello, we're the Johnsons. We heard about your situation and wanted to offer our help." Mrs. Miller looked relieved. "Thank you so much. We could really use some help getting settled in." Lily and Tommy helped the Miller children unpack their toys and set up their rooms, while Mr. and Mrs. Johnson assisted with the heavy lifting and arranging the furniture. Mrs. Johnson also prepared a delicious meal for the Miller family, giving them a much-needed break from the stress of moving. By the end of the day, the Miller family's new home was cozy and welcoming, thanks to the Johnsons' efforts. Mrs. Miller hugged Mrs. Johnson tightly. "You have no idea how much this means to us. We feel so blessed to have such kind neighbors." As the days turned into weeks, the Johnson family continued their acts of kindness throughout the village. They helped Mr. Brown, the village carpenter, repair his workshop after a storm. They assisted the village school with organizing a fundraiser to buy new books for the library. They even adopted a stray cat and found loving homes for her kittens. One evening, as the Johnsons gathered around their dining table, Mr. Johnson said, "I'm so proud of all of us. We've made a real difference in our community." Mrs. Johnson nodded. "Yes, and I think we've learned a valuable lesson along the way. Kindness and generosity don't just help others, they also bring joy and fulfillment to our own lives." Lily and Tommy agreed, their hearts filled with happiness from all the good they had done. One day, the Johnsons received a letter from the village council, inviting them to a special event in the town square. They were curious and excited as they made their way to the square, where they found the entire village gathered. The village mayor stepped forward and addressed the crowd. "Today, we are here to honor a very special family. The Johnsons have shown us the true meaning of community through their selfless acts of kindness and generosity. They have made our village a better place, and we are incredibly grateful." The mayor presented the Johnsons with a plaque that read, "In recognition of your outstanding contributions to our village. Thank you for your kindness and generosity." The crowd erupted in applause, and the Johnsons were deeply moved by the recognition. Mr. Johnson spoke on behalf of his family. "We are truly humbled by this honor. It has been our privilege to help our neighbors and to make our village a better place. We are grateful for the love and support we have received from all of you." As the celebration continued, the Johnsons realized that their acts of kindness had not only helped others but had also inspired the entire village. People were more willing to help each other, and a sense of unity and camaraderie had blossomed. The Johnson family continued their mission of kindness, always looking for new ways to help others and spread joy. They knew that even the smallest acts of generosity could make a big difference. Years passed, and the Johnson children grew up, carrying the lessons of kindness and generosity with them. They started their own families, instilling the same values in their children. And so, the legacy of the Johnson family lived on, a shining example of the power of kindness and the importance of helping others. Their story became a cherished tale in the village, passed down from generation to generation, reminding everyone that a little kindness can go a long way. Thank you for joining us for today's heartwarming story about the Johnson family and their acts of kindness and generosity. We hope it inspired you to look for ways you can help others in your own community. Remember, even the smallest acts of kindness can make a big difference. The Johnson family showed us that by sharing our blessings, we not only improve the lives of those around us, but also find joy and fulfillment in our own hearts. Their story is a powerful reminder that kindness is contagious and can create a ripple effect, inspiring others to be generous and caring too. Whether it's helping a neighbor, volunteering your time, or simply offering a smile to someone who needs it, every act of kindness counts. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us continue to create more stories that inspire and uplift. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We post new stories regularly, and we wouldn't want you to miss out on any of our exciting adventures and valuable lessons. We love hearing from our viewers, so don't forget to leave a comment below. Share your thoughts about the story and let us know how you spread kindness in your community. Have you ever helped a neighbor in need or volunteered your time for a good cause? Your stories inspire us and others in our growing community. For more heartwarming tales and valuable life lessons, stay tuned to our channel.